Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Jupyter notebooks for data science with Anaconda. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Download Anaconda from the official website. Select the version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the installation type that suits your needs. Select the recommended options during installation. Make sure to add Anaconda to your system's path variable. Launch Anaconda Navigator after installation is complete. In Anaconda Navigator, locate the Jupyter Notebook option. Click on the Launch button next to Jupyter Notebook. Your default web browser will open, displaying the Jupyter Notebook interface. To create a new notebook, click on the New button in the upper right corner. Select Python 3 from the drop-down menu. A new tab will open with an untitled notebook. Click on Untitled at the top to rename your notebook. Enter a suitable name and press Rename. You can now start writing Python code in the cells. To execute a cell, press Shift and Enter simultaneously. Explore adding more cells by clicking on the plus icon in the toolbar. Customize your notebook by using Markdown cells for notes and documentation. Change the cell type to Markdown from the drop-down menu in the toolbar. Save your work regularly by clicking on the disk icon. To install additional packages, open the Anaconda prompt. Use the conda install command followed by the package name. Once installed, you can import these packages into your notebook. Utilize the built-in features of Jupyter notebooks for data visualization. Experiment with plotting libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. Access help and documentation directly within the notebook as needed. By following these steps, you are now equipped to use Jupyter notebooks for your data science projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.